Hi, this is Miranda from My Scrappy Life, and welcome back to my channel. This is another process video for Off the Board with Pineapple Papers, where all of us take something from Pinterest and do it. So this is the layout I am going to Scraplift, and it is from Missy Wooden. I just love her. She's like one of my favorite persons to Scraplift. She was the one that got me into mixed media, and I've just learned a lot over the course of I don't know how many years at this point. But I just love everything about her, and I love her family, you know, and just all of that stuff. So I decided I'm going to Scraplift her. It's been a minute since I've done her. So I was like, you know what? I'm going to go in and find one of her layouts, and I'm so tired of winter. And yes, do I understand that my winters are very different, but I'm just exhausted of them. I'm tired of them. I'm done with them. And then Texas having everything that's going on for them, and I think about them daily, all the time, because that, I mean, I've been there where they've been at. Not a lot of these people understand, you know, that North Dakota and South Dakota and all of us up north, we get it. We understand. We've been there. And so I think about them all the time and everything like that. So I'm like kind of sick of winter. So I went in to my stash, and Missy had a 4x6 for a photo, and so that is what I'm doing. And I pulled out my summer, the one and only summer photo I got at the pool, which was in 2019, because obviously the pandemic hit during the summertime here, so we weren't able to go to the pool or any of that sort. I do have pool photos, but it's literally my grass, and yeah. So I was like, this is ridiculous. I'm like over this, and I wanted to do a summer layout. So that's what I did. Let's see here. I am definitely into wanting to go with colors and just finding little things. The collection that I'm using is from Rosie Studio. It's called Manos or Cheers something Mom. I can't remember. It's been a minute since I've used it. So I am using that collection. It's from Rosie Studio. It's like 2 years old, I think. So I don't even know if it's even available, but I do like using Rosie Studio stuff. I do like the cost of it. I just don't have a lot of it because you have to get it from New Zealand or Australia, one of the two. So it takes a big minute for it to get here. So I'm just doing the typical Missy Wooden stuff. I'm just adding colors, dabbing it everywhere. The 3 colors that I am using is, 2 of them are Inklings and one of them's a Creamies. The Inklings is Punctuous Purple, and then the other Inkling is Purple Mountain Majesty. They're 2 lighter colors that match the top portion of the papers. And then the Creamies that I'm coming in is For Sure. And that's like a silver color that I'm using. So I just bounce back and forth between all of them and just get it to where I would like it to be. I did gesso this white marshmallow cardstock before I started filming, and then that's all I really did off camera. But yeah, I really liked how this turns out. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope that you like what you see, and if you wanted to see more, make sure you hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so that you get notified each and every time that I do upload. I do tend to go about 2 to 3 times a week. It all depends on what layouts I have for the month and what's going on. Next month, I'm going to probably have just a tad bit, little bit more, because a project that I'm doing is going to incorporate a little bit more of my layout, but normally it's about 2 to 3 times a week. If you're coming from the other channels, welcome. I'm so glad that you are hopping along and sticking with us every last Wednesday of the month. I went and picked out a bunch of different little things just to put around these photos. It is the pool that is at where I live. We have a pool that we can use, and I absolutely love it. I take photos all the time. I literally let Kaylin go do whatever she wants to do because there's lifeguards, and I read. I just read and read some more for like 2-3 hours. And I can't wait to hopefully get back to that. If not, it'll just be in my backyard. And I do a lot more of that during the summertime because ultimately because of school, I only work for my retail job just a little bit more. But ultimately, I have my whole summers off because I'm a teacher. Which after this year of the pandemic going back and forth, it'll be kind of nice to have that little bit of a break. They are asking for teachers to possibly work for the summer. And I'm thinking, I don't know if I want to or not. I'm debating back and forth yet. Not sure if I want to do it or not do it. So we'll see what happens. I'll see what I decide to do and whatnot. So we'll see. But yeah, we're coming up close to this school year being done. Believe it or not, we're coming into March. We're going to be slowly rolling into April, and then May is done, and then there's my summer. So I only got 3 more months left of school, and I'm super excited for that. I'm going to certainly miss my kiddos for sure. But here I am. I'm putting in just a little bit of thread. I should have gotten more thread out, but I'm going to be honest with you, I was a little lazy. I got this one color thinking, oh, I'll put it in a couple different spots, and then I forgot to, so it's only in that one spot. It's been a week. Definitely been a week. Yeah, so Josh is doing good over in Kuwait. He's hammering it out. We're down 3 months now, going into the 4th, so it's going by pretty quickly. So yeah, that's where that's at. He's enjoying just kind of being by himself. He's getting school done, so it works out well for him because he's doing college while he's over there. So that makes it a little bit easier for him to make sure that he can finish up, and he's hopefully will be almost done by the time he gets back from being over there. So that'll be nice. Let's see here. And yeah, I'm just placing down embellishments I'm going through. So obviously that mixed media is down at the bottom, and Missy had quite a bit of a title. So I do a couple of different things. I do Beautiful Mama, and then I say the best day. And I love the best day because it's at the pool. Like, I'm a big pool person, so if I can get myself at the pool at least once or twice a week, it's great. If not, I do try to do mainly on Sundays. Kaylin and I will go for like 2-3 hours. So my summer schedule may change for school or for YouTube, but that's because we all need a break. We all need a break. So here I go in with my titles. I stayed Beautiful Mama, and then this is where I grab the best day and put that down as the title. And I really love how this is. This is almost done. It went pretty quickly. It only took me about 45 minutes to do this layout from start to finish. So I thought that was pretty good. Let's see here. I do place up some of these hearts, and I really do love how this goes. And then I pull in this goofy butterfly, and I shouldn't have. So watch. I put it down, and then I get mad. And this is why I do voiceovers, because I started cussing up a storm on my layout, and I was in my Zoom, and somebody said, this is why you do voiceovers. Like, because if I do curse, nobody hears it. So I place this down, and then I get mad. And then I stop the camera. You'll see me stop, and then I come back, and it's gone. Because I hate it. I hate it. I'm looking at it. I'm like, nope, I want it off. I can't get it off. So then I start over again. So that's that part. But make sure you go check out everybody else that's down below. We do this on every 4th Wednesday of every month, and it's so much fun. I absolutely love doing this. I'm so glad that Crystal over at Pineapple Papers have done this for 3-4 years now, and it is so much fun. I just love doing it. So I'm coming in with some gold splatters, and then that is it. I'm going to leave you with that. I do some doodling, and I do my journaling on camera, and then that is it. The still shots are definitely coming up. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. I would love to have you as one of my new subscribers. I have hit 2,500 subscribers. Now I'm working on getting to 3,500. My next step is 3,000, and that will be my next giveaway is at 3,000 subscribers. So I'm only 500 away. I would love to have you. I hope that you guys are all staying safe. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.